On the table today we have the Bell Qualifier DLX MIPS Illusion graphic. Now if you're not familiar with the Bell Qualifier DLX series of helmets, they're constructed using a polycarb shell. They have an intermediate oval head shape and they come in sizes ranging from extra small to 2XL with 3 shell sizes and 3 EPS liners. When we threw this one on the scale, it came in at 3 pounds 9 ounces in a medium and it carries a DOT EC safety rating. Now what you're going to see from the graphic is going to be a matte finish in the front, which is going to work its way to a gloss finish in the back, simple line graphic, and there is a bit of metal flake in the matte black. The whole helmet looks really sharp, especially when you're looking at how the matte transitions into the gloss. Now you're going to have 3 different colors available. All will be utilizing the matte in the front with the gloss along the back, and it will include a clear face shield in the box regardless of color. If you want to learn more about the Bell Qualifier DLX MIPS helmet, now you can click the info button, head over to RevZilla.com, and once you're there, you can watch the detailed breakdown video where we rip apart the helmet to give you all the facts.